Well, here we are, YouTube, performing some more hillbilly voodoo on a 334 excavator roller. Basically rebuilding it with weld and ground obtainium that I found in this pile of junk right here. So, we'll bring you back and let you see what it looks like when it's all functional and looking pretty again. Thanks. So now that we have our roller turned down, it kind of looks like a roller. We should probably make some guides and sliders that maybe kind of look like a guide and a slider and isn't totally worn down to paper thin. Well, we'll find some pieces that are laying here on the ground, probably some AR steel, and we'll weld the big blobs on there and maybe make them so that the track will actually stay on for more than 15 minutes. After we get this put together, because I'm pretty sure nobody wants to see me sit around grinding all day. After we get it all welded up and ground down, then we'll bring you back and let you take a look at it and see if you approve or if you will make some kind of stupid comment that I really don't care about. Thanks. Well, after many hours of building it up and grinding it down, getting the profile right, I think we got ourselves a slider. 2 more to rebuild, and then we can reassemble this excavator. So we've got this roller all welded up, turned down, put back together, looking like a roller again, ready to put back in the machine. But unfortunately, we're missing one. One roller was completely gone, no pin, no roller, absolutely nothing there. So we had to start right from scratch. We've taken layers upon layers of pipe. They've been laying around here, welded them together. Gonna put another layer on, weld that together till we get to that thickness right there. We'll turn it down, and then we will add more layers to get to that thickness right there. Do a little bit more voodoo here, and I'll bring you back and show you the results. So here's our finished product. One roller built out of bunch of random scraps of pipe, all welded together, turned down to the final diameter. We're within about 25 thou spec. Some bushings up on the top there, and the pin that goes all the way through with a bolt in it with a greasy nipple on it. We're gonna try to reassemble all this machine now and see if it actually works. Well, we got our rollers all replaced, stuffed back up in there. We made some little shields to cover the bolts and the grease nipples. They're all put back more or less in the place that they're supposed to be. And we're going to do a little bit of the cover up the rust thing here and make it look like once it's dry, like it's supposed to be there. Paint won't stay on there for very long, but at least it'll keep the crap from rusting right away. Okay. Gizmo says if you like this type of content, like and subscribe. See you later.